Quick tip Tuesday. I got a 2011 Hyundai Sonata, 44,000 miles on it. Otherwise in really good condition, but it's got this noise. You ready? Try it again. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's a knocking on the column. Really common with the Hyundais. If you haven't run into it, now you have. They didn't always, as far as I know, but now they're covering it under warranty. They extended the warranty for 10 years, 100,000 miles. It's a stupid plastic coupler about this big, fiber coupler that goes bad. They say the column's got to come out, but if I'm not mistaken, it can be done without taking the column out. But it really doesn't matter if you get a customer with it. Just advise them it's covered under warranty. This one's going back to the dealer. They're going to cover it. Doing the right thing by the customer and letting them cover it. Save them a few $100s, all right? And that's it. So, again, you get one of those noises in a Hyundai, it's a steering coupler, and they're extending the warranty on a whole bunch of them. Have a great day.